Nebraska farmers are constantly challenged to use resources efficiently, produce high-quality products, and protect the environment. In finely tuned cropping systems, such as the corn-soybean rotation in Nebraska, improvements are made by adopting practices that have small effects on productivity and profitability. Farmers face an overwhelming array of information. This information varies in quality and applicability to their farming operation and is often inadequate for decision-making. To address this information need, Nebraska farmers are participating in Nebraska Extension's Nebraska On-Farm Research Network. The Nebraska On-Farm Research Network provides an opportunity for growers to identify combinations of inputs and practices that will provide the greatest profitability and efficiency. Farmers participating in the network are equipped to answer their production and profitability questions for themselves. Nebraska Extension has a long history in on-farm research and has consistently demonstrated tremendous value for Nebraska farmers.
We've done a lot of on-farm research projects with the university, and they've all been very informational.
To see it work on your own farm, you can read things in print, and that's only goes so far. But when you see it work on your own farm, then that's the factor that's going to be probably the biggest in making a decision whether you want to go forward with that technology or not.
Here's how Nebraska Extension on-farm research works. Research is typically conducted with the farmer's equipment, on the farmer's land, and using the farmer's management practices. The Nebraska On-Farm Research Team works with participating farmers to refine the research project, ensuring the project will provide information that'll be useful for the farmer's operation. Each year, a wide variety of topics are researched, including nutrient management, crop rotation, planting populations, row spacing, cover crops, seed treatments, in-furrow and foliar applications, pesticides, and growth promoters. The plot plans are developed to be both feasible to implement with the farmer's equipment and scientifically sound so that reliable conclusions can be drawn. Throughout the year, Extension faculty and farmers work together to collect data to answer the research question. At the conclusion of the growing season, the research plots are harvested. Ag technologies such as yield monitors make data collection easy and time efficient. Following harvest, the data is processed by the Nebraska Extension On-Farm Research Team. The results are compiled into the yearly growing season results book. These results are shared and discussed at annual results update meetings at several locations across the state. Results update meetings provide an excellent opportunity for dialogue amongst Extension faculty, participating farmers, ag industry, and other attendees. Attendees consistently note that they appreciate seeing unbiased data and reporting. They also comment that they enjoy seeing real farm results, that the speakers were excellent at presenting information and able to relate details, and that they liked hearing from other farmers and what they have done and learned. Results can also be viewed online as a PDF book or by searching our database of previous research. A number of resources have been developed to make your on-farm research projects a success. The Nebraska On-Farm Research mobile app helps you generate scientifically sound plot layout and collect data. You can download the free app on the iTunes and Google Play stores. Another excellent resource is the Grower's Guide for On-Farm Research. This interactive guide explains why and how to conduct on-farm research. Read the text or listen to the audio. Click to watch videos, read additional information and definitions. Are you interested in conducting your own on-farm research? Maybe you already do research on your farm, but would like to help make sure you're getting reliable, science-based results. The Nebraska Extension On-Farm Research Team is dedicated to helping you generate science-based information to guide your future management decisions. Results from your own farm research study are invaluable. Since the research is completed with your equipment, under your management strategies, and in your climate and soils, you know the results are directly applicable to your operation. To learn more and get involved, visit the On-Farm Research Network online at cropwatch.unl.edu/farmresearch or farmresearch.unl.edu. Follow Nebraska On-Farm Research on Twitter at OnFarmResearch and like us on Facebook. The Nebraska On-Farm Research Network is a collaborative partnership which includes Nebraska Extension, the Nebraska Corn Board, Nebraska Corn Growers Association, Nebraska Soybean Board, the Nebraska Dry Bean Commission, and SARE.